Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was just wanting to do a quick hair tutorial. I don't have a lot of time, but I did get it done before being late, so yes, that's cool. So yes, without further ado, if you want to see how I got my cute beach waves, then please keep watching. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be curling my hair with the Kristin Ess wand. It's kind of cool. It can be at a 90-degree angle, or you can whip it around to a straight one. I prefer the 90 degrees, so I burn myself less. I got it at Target. It wasn't that expensive, I don't think. I think it was like $30 maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I got it about a year ago and I do love it. So if you are in the need of a new wand, I highly suggest this bad boy. And then I just take a small piece at the end or at the bottom of my hair and whip it around the wand, and I leave a little like part of my hair that I don't put on there at the end to give it a little edginess at the end of my hair. And I don't really think you're supposed to hold it on that long, but I hold it on there for probably 5 to 10 seconds. And yeah, you get a little cute-ish wand curl. And then I can just continue grabbing small pieces on one half of my head, whipping it around until I have the whole half of my head done. Sometimes I'll alternate like which way I wrap it around my head, but I usually just do it one way and forget to switch, but you can do either or. It all turns out the same. We just got back from Christmas with my parents and my family, and now we have to go meet with our venue for a little meeting to go over how we want the setup to be and stuff, so that's exciting. Today is December 22nd, so shout out to one of my besties, Kylie. Happy birthday! And if you have thin hair, you can definitely, I would suggest taking a bigger chunk. My hair is fairly thick, so I take smaller to medium sized chunks. Trust me girl, I wish I could take large chunks, but my hair just will not curl if I do not. Sometimes I'll do bigger chunks if I am just wanting like a really loose beach wave type of look. I'll do bigger chunks, but they don't really hold for that long, so that's why I'm doing littler ones. These front pieces, I always make sure to like start kind of out by my like temple length and then curl outwards. And yeah, now you got some little beach waves right now. I'm not going to spray anything on that just yet. I'm just gonna kind of let them cool on their own for a little bit. So I'm just gonna let them whip them back and move on to the next side. It takes me about 7 to 8-ish minutes per side to do my hair. I don't feel like that's terrible. With a curling iron, it would take me way longer, so. I just burned myself. Oh well, I usually burn myself like 4 times per average, like, you know, doing my hair. But that was my first burn, and I only have one more piece to go, so hopefully that's it. This one I started a little higher than my temple, so I'm an idiot. So these are the types of curls you get. Really loose, pretty curls. I'm going to spray my hair and then I will be back. So yes, here's my finished look. I just used a little bit of big sexy hairspray. Just ran my fingers through it a little bit. You know, just did a little kind of middle side part. These have been my favorite lately, but yes, it's super just loose and kind of beachy and cute, so super simple. It took me less than 20 minutes. Also, I obviously did my makeup off camera today, but if you want to get a video of how I did this, I actually did it in the car on the way back from my parents' house, so drop a comment. Let me know if you want to see how I got this little simple cute beauty. Getting better at my wings. Make sure to like this video if you want to see more of these hair tutorials, and hit that subscribe button so you can see all my future uploads. And until next time, bye!